Brother, how to handle the pressure of parents? I am very upset with my family. What happened, brother? I'm fed up of listening to daily taunts. Their son is this, their son is that. I agree that I am a little average in studies, but it doesn't mean that I can't do anything in my life. Brother, if someone from outside says something to me, I can bear it. But when my own parents are saying me, then I fall in my own eyes. I get so demotivated that I also start believing that what they are saying is true. Brother, there is a reason behind the things they are saying to you. They are very worried about you. They are very scared for you. You see, when small children insist on going somewhere, then their parents stop them. They are saying, don't go there. There is a ghost there. There is this, that. They help of fear to make the child agree to their words. The same thing with you to your friend. Your family members have no to motivate you. If they don't know the technique, then the maximum they can do to push you is to scare you about life so that you work even if you are scared. But they don't know that nothing is going to happen from this. They think that if you get pressure, you will work, but not everyone can work out under pressure. Only that person can work under pressure who has no other way.
If the person does not work, he will not able to survive, but we survive comfortably. So why should we do that work in which we are not interested? We always leave the pressure and run towards comfort, because neither there is fun in pressure nor interest. But brother, because of the daily nagging of these people, I am not doing the work in which I am interested. See brother, the thing is very simple. You cannot change the family member. You just have to learn to handle this situation. Brother, how did you handle the situation? To handle this situation, you have to understand two things. The first thing is that their internal clarity. There was a clarity which means that I always keep asking myself whether what I was doing was right or not. And I did not ask myself because I am doubted myself. Rather, I asked because my belief that I was not doing anything wrong was getting stronger every moment. I keep asking myself whether I was made for this work, whether I was doing this work out of greed or not. Even if I did not get the money, I would still like do this work. I made it clear in my mind that I was made for this work. If not this work, then no other work. If I did some other work, even I could be average in it. But if I did this work, then no one can stop me from taking the top. When my all doubts were over, then I was completely convinced that if I would do something, I would do it in this field. After that, I started just one thing. I started ignoring everyone who tried to distract me from my path. I started ignoring anyone who did not like this. I did not do it. It is a kind of ignoring in which you are really feeling pain from the words of the other person, but you pretend to ignoring it. I really did not feel any pain at all while listening the words of other person, because the thing he is saying, the question he is asking, I have already asked those questions to myself long ago. I used to make a smile after listening to those people. Any person's word will affect me only when I am not clear from within. When I myself do not know from within what I am doing and what I am doing is right or not. My parents, my relatives, my neighbors, no one knows who I really am. They considers me as a normal man and impose their on me. They don't know how much I love what I am doing, what I want to do, and when they do not know anything, then why I am taking their words so seriously. And anyway, I have to work very hard to reach the destination I have chosen. Is not enough pressure that I start taking the pressure of people's word on my head.
You are right, but whenever I work for my goal, my family members tell me what useless work I am doing. Brother, they will say all this for sure. They do not believe that what you are doing can lead to something big. First of all, why do you do all this in front of them? In front of them, just do what they want to so that you can do that work in private which you want. It is not necessary that you have to show anger to the person who is becoming an obstacle in your path. If bowing your head is reducing your work, then bow your head. Do not tell even if your side that what are you doing, because no one going to come to help you. Not everyone become your obstacle. Do not create new obstacle and handle the old obstacle. It is not necessary that if you have to remove obstacle, friend you have get angry and hate. Now like if you have friend who is repeatedly telling you that brother, whenever you are doing, nothing will happen to you in it. There is nothing in it. Then you can show anger to him, but you should be careful with your parents. You cannot do this. You will have to bow your head in front of them. See brother, your destination is yours.